In nature, nothing grows all the time. No season is permanent, and no season is wrong. Yet in leadership and business, we often believe we must always push, always accelerate, always perform. But what if the real problem isn't effort? It's timing. Nature operates in seasons for a reason. Spring is for planting. Summer is for growth. Autumn is for harvest. Winter is for rest and renewal. You don't force a harvest in winter, and you don't rest when it's time to plant. Each season has a purpose. Leadership is no different. Some seasons in business require bold action launching, scaling, hiring, expanding. That's a push season. Other seasons demand restraint learning, restructuring, reflecting, rebuilding trust. That's a pause season. Problems arise when leaders confuse the two. Pushing during a pause season leads to burnout. Pausing during a push season leads to missed opportunity. Great leaders don't just work hard. They work in alignment. Think about your own journey. Was there a time when effort felt heavy? Progress slow? Energy drained? It may not have been failure. It may have been a season asking you to slow down to gather insight, sharpen skills, or realign direction. Likewise, there are moments when clarity appears, momentum builds, and opportunities open. Those are not times to hesitate. Those are times to act decisively. Wisdom is recognizing the difference. So here's the question every leader must ask. What season am I in right now? Am I forcing growth or avoiding responsibility? Because when you lead in season, effort feels lighter, decisions become clearer, and results come naturally. Change the lens, change the outcome. Subscribe to the Success Lens, where we don't chase success, we learn how to see it.